Thought you said it was heavy.
I guess not. Apparently. Steady, girls. Girls. Steady, Sally. Steady. Steady. Good girls. Oh, good girl. Hi everybody, welcome back. So today I have a Belgian and a Percheron out. I can't say their names. We have one excavator track just to get them a bit of exercise. Last year they pulled two, but it seemed like it was a pretty hard pull for them, so today I decided to just do one. It'd be nice if we had 1.5, because this seems pretty easy for them. They're breathing a little bit, but I'm hoping this will be used to tire them out so that I can do other things with them like this. When they're fresh, they just have too much energy, so I'm hoping to be able to use the tracks, or just the track, and tire them out. So we're going to go down the road once, see how tired they are, and then I'll be able to make the judgment call on how many times they need to go down the road before going to do other work.
Where are you going to turn around?
The stop sign.
You can turn around with that big thing?
Yeah, we did it. We did it with. They've been down there with both the tracks before.
Okay.
Sally, Mable. Girls, you don't need to run. You don't need to run. Good pull for them. Yeah. I think this is definitely gonna work for my idea on tiring them out before we go do other work.
Yeah, for sure.
The girls, they're definitely liking it. I keep getting their snot in my eyes, so they're snorting, so they're happy. They're not actually breathing that much.
tell.
We're going way Ready, girls? Walk. We gotta make a turn here. You guys gotta walk. We gotta make a wide turn before the stop sign. We don't want this thing dragging us into the ditch. No. Steady, girls. Steady. Girls. Girls. That's a tight turn. I think it will slid into the ditch. That wouldn't make it. Flip them over a little bit. Oh! Oh! Oh, Sally. Step back. Step back. Oh, step back. Release the pressure. Oh. Good girls. Good pulling. Yeah.
That was pretty tight.
Yeah, I looked where Sally took off after the turn. I turned around and the track went and hit the end hit the edge of the ditch. But we were good, Sally. They were going away. Good job, girls. Good job. Good job. You like pulling? Yeah? Normally I don't drive with loose lines like this, but when there's something really heavy like that right now, I'm letting them choose their speed, because that's what I want. You know, I don't want them to stay at a walk. I don't care how fast they go right now. Obviously, I don't want them at a slow rope like that out there, but I let them choose the speed that they're most comfortable. We'll give them one more break and then they're going to take it all the way back up to the field. Maybe. What? Where'd this energy come from? Back. Back. Girls, gotta release the pressure. Back. 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 Oh, good girls. Okay, off. Oh, good girls. Good job today. That running stuff at the end though, not necessary. But good job. Good job today. You make my hands hurt, yes. But good job. But that tells me you guys need 2 rounds of that, and then at least, and then you guys. I haven't enjoyed working with Sally that much in a while. I did a single drive with her last week, I think, but like actually working. It's just been very hard for me lately because of the energy and the amount of pressure I have to put on the lines to keep her at a walk. So I haven't enjoyed it, but that I really enjoyed myself with her today. I'm very proud that we found something that we can do.
Gotta get their energy out.
I can enjoy my work with them now. Right, girls? I think you're going to agree with that. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.